Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important languages for the web, that is JavaScript. Ever wonder how website becomes dynamic or interactive, how the forms validations are done, how the subscriptions are working? All can be done with the help of JavaScript. So in this video, I'll be exploring about what is JavaScript and what are the uses of it, where it can be used. So initially, what is a JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language that makes web page interactive and dynamic. So interactive and dynamic in the sense you can make it interactive like filling the form and validation happens, everything is handled by JavaScript. And when we come to dynamic, when you click on a button, some action happens. That is also handled by JavaScript. So whenever you are planning to design a web application, so you can use JavaScript or frameworks that are built on JavaScript. So what are the key characteristics of JavaScript? It runs directly on a browser. No specific third-party installations are needed for JavaScript. And JavaScript is a single-threaded and asynchronous. What is a single-threaded and what is asynchronous? I'll be telling you in the coming classes or the coming videos. JavaScript can be used JavaScript can be used in both front end and back end. Initially, JavaScript was designed for client side. Later, it has been converted, like developed for server side also. There are frameworks which you have heard in the market right now, like React, Node, or Vue. These all are the frameworks that are built on JavaScript. So, uses of JavaScript is, as I said, adding interactions, that is, buttons, forms, or dynamic menus, depending on your selection. And you can even have an animations also with the help of JavaScript. And you can handle APIs and you can display the data with certain logics using JavaScript. And it is platform independent and you can use it for developing a web applications or mobile applications, or you can use it into gaming like game developments, or you can also use it at a server side for processing the data and all. So if you come to a real world examples, it will be a dynamic content loading, like you say Facebook, where you log in and data specific to your your profile gets displayed over there. That's an example of dynamic loading. And when we come to the history of JavaScript, as I said initially, it was developed for front end, that is client side. Later it has changed to server side also. So for easier understanding of what a JavaScript is or how a JavaScript works, let's consider a building. So the HTML is the pillars and the rooms. CSS is the colors and the patterns that you apply to it. And whenever you go or switch on some lights or fans using a switch or a sensor or a voice command, these all are the functionalities. These all are what JavaScript does. So for a website, as I said, button clicks or validations, form validations, all these are done. So why should I learn JavaScript? Three things. One is you want to make your career out of it. Second is you are interested in becoming a front-end developer. Third, you have more community reach for JavaScript, along with career opportunities and popularity. So in the next video, we'll dive into setting up our development environment and writing our first JavaScript code. If you are excited to start coding, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get notified about the next video. Thanks.